Hey everyone, ever wanted to control your computer from far away like magic? That's exactly what SSH helps you do. Let's break it down. Imagine your computer is like your house. You have got your files, games, and work, etc. inside. Now, let's say you go on vacation, but you still want to enter your house and do stuffs. What if you had a remote control door that only you can unlock from anywhere in the world? That's where the concept of SSH comes. So, what is SSH? SSH stands for Secure Shell. It's a special tool that lets you connect to your computer from another device safely, like login into your PC from your phone or or a laptop in another city. Why it is secure? Here comes a question like why it is secure. Then because it simply uses encryption. Think of it like speaking in secret code. So no one can understand what you're saying except the person you're talking to. So let's take a real life example. Say you have a Raspberry Pi at home running on a Linux. You can be at school and using SSH on your phone. You can log into it, run a program, check files without needing to be there physically. So remember, SSH is equal to remote plus secure access to your computer, like a digital key that opens the door to your computer from far away, but only if it recognizes you. So, you want to see how to use SSH in real life? Hit the like button and comment, and let's learn that the next. Thank you.